Let's talk about perimeter. We're going to talk about what is perimeter, how that helps us develop a perimeter formula for rectangles, and how we get the Pythagorean theorem for the perimeter of right triangles and how that helps us. Now, this is from one of your exploration activities where Johnny thinks of the perimeter as the outside of the shape, so he shades the squares. Now, he's using squares, which are two-dimensional shapes, to measure a one-dimensional attribute. This is a thing that students often mess up when they are not thinking about what perimeter means. Perimeter is a one-dimensional measurement. It happens to move in 2 dimensions, but it's as if we're taking the outside of the shape and laying it out in a line. And how long would that line be? And so we can measure it that way. So it's important to recognize that a perimeter is a 1D attribute of a 2D shape. And we can go ahead and count this one out, how long each line is. Let's see, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is another 5, so that's 18, 19, 24. Plus 4 more is 28 units. Now, why was Johnny off by 4? Well, when he used this square, he only counted one of the sides, not both. This one was extra. He didn't get this extra corner, this extra side of the corner, this extra side of the corner, or this extra side of the corner. So he missed 5 pieces, added in 1 extra, comes out to 28. Now let's talk about how that helps us find the perimeter of a rectangle. You may remember the perimeter formula of a rectangle coming in 2 forms, and we'll look at them here. So I could find this perimeter just by adding up these lengths. Imagine me taking apart the sides of the square and lining them up. So I get A plus B plus A plus B. And so I can think of this as one way of doing it, or I can say, hey, I have 2 of these and 2 of these, so that's my perimeter. A third way of thinking of this is recognizing that this rectangle is made by these 2 green L's being connected. So I know the length of that L is A plus B, and 2 of them make up the whole triangle. This is what gives us our 2 main formulas for the perimeter, where I have 2 length plus 2 width, or 2 times length plus width. They actually can be seen on the rectangle. This is an important thing to remember when dealing with these perimeter formulas. They don't just come out of thin air.